Hi, and welcome to day 12 of our October Make With Me project. This month we are making a Crochet Stitches sampler welcome mat, and today I'm going to show you how to make a half double crochet in the top loop only. I began by switching my color back over to the gray so I can keep with my pattern, and now I'm ready to begin. We will begin by making a row of half double crochets for our first row, and just into the stitch and the chain space. We should have 66 half double crochets across the row. And just to remind you, a half double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all the loops on your hook. And that is how you make the half double crochet. And we will do that all the way across the row. You should have 66 half double crochets. I'll see you guys at the end of the row. Okay, I just finished the first row of half double crochets. I made 66. I'm going to chain one and turn my work over. And now I am ready to crochet into the top loop only. So if you remember, a half double crochet will have 3 loops. You have this one, we'll call it the back loop, you have the top loop, and we have the front loop. You could do your stitch into the back loop only, the top loop only, or the front loop only. But today we're going to make it into this top loop only. So I'm going to yarn over and insert my hook into that top loop only. Yarn over, pull through. So I got my 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so we'll do it again. We'll make a half double crochet, but we're inserting our hook into that top loop only. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. And this is what we are going to do across the row. Okay, here I've done a couple of rows, and you can kind of see the effect that it has to do a crochet in the top loop only. You kind of have this little edge that pops up on both sides, and that's kind of the effect that you get when you do a stitch, any kind of stitch into the top loop only. And so we are going to make a total of 6 rows for this section of half double crochets into the top loop only. I will meet you guys at the end of this section. So here I am at the end of the section, and I know I said 6 rows, but I did 5, and I just figured 5 was probably better than 6. So 5 rows of the half double crochet in the top loop only for this section. And there it is. That's what it will look like. And I will see you guys tomorrow, where I will teach you a really cool stitch called the star stitch. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.